Assalamu alaikum. I'm your professor, Saida Mahina. With now, we will move on our slides. So for that, we have to go on PowerPoint. So I am going to share the PowerPoint slides with all of you. I'll teach you bioinformatics basically. Now, what is bioinformatics? These slides are by me, Saida Mahina. Okay, students, now you can see the definition of bioinformatics. What is bioinformatics? Bioinformatics is research, development, or application of computational tools and approach for expanding the use of biological, medical, behavioral, or health data, including those to acquire, storage, organize, archive, analyze, or visualize such data. Now, to know about bioinformatics, first we have to know about computational biology. What is computational biology? The development and application of data analytical and theoretical methods, mathematical modeling and computational stimulation techniques to the study of biological, behavioral, or social system. I hope you are understanding what I want to say. So biological data types and analysis objectives. What we have to know about the terms, I will teach you all the terms which we have to know if we want to study bioinformatics thoroughly. Biological data types, analysis objectives. So first we have to know about genomics, transcriptomics, proteomics, metabolomics, imaging, cytometry, systems biology. I'll explain all these terms now. In genomics, what we do, nucleotide genome sequence, metagenomic sequence. Okay, we have to know about the nucleotide genome sequence and metagenome sequences. Gene folding, functional annotation, sequence alignment, homology determination, comparative analysis, phylogenetic interfacing, association analysis, mutation, functional prediction, species distribution analysis. We do all these things in genomics. So in transcriptomics, we basically study about RNA. Transcriptomics, RNA expression levels, transcription factor binding, chromatin structure information. Then what we will study further in transcriptomics, differential expression, clustering, functional enrichment, transcriptional regulation, and coil reasoning. Now we will move towards proteomics. What is proteomics? Proteins level, protein structure, protein interaction. In proteomics, we will study about protein. The whole protein study is known as proteomics. We will study the levels of protein, the structures of protein, and interactions of protein. Protein identification, protein functional prediction, structural comparison, molecular dynamic simulation, mutation, functional prediction, docking predictions, and network analysis. We will study all these things in proteomics. Now, what we will study in metabolomics? We have to know about metabolites if we want to study metabolomics. Okay, so in metabolites we study small molecules level, pathway and network analysis, imaging, microscopy images, MRI images, CT scan, features extraction, high content screening. We do all these things in imaging. Cytometry is basically about cells, so we will study about cell levels, cell phenotypes, cell population clustering, cell biomarker discovery in cytometry. So system biology, in system biology we have to know about genomics, then transcriptomics and proteomics and metabolomics, then imaging, cytometry. After that, network analysis, coil reasoning, reverse coil reasoning, drug targeted prediction. We will do drug targeted prediction in system biology. Then regulatory network analysis, information flow, population dynamics, and modeling and simulation. Thank you. I hope you guys are enjoying this class. Now, I want to give you the detail of all of these. In genomics, we'll study the genome, right? What is genome? Genome is whole nucleotides are joined together and give us information, specific information related to, sorry, I just faced a network issue, so for that I'm really sorry. So what is genomics? Genomics is interdisciplinary field of biology focusing on the structure, function, evolution, mapping, editing of genomes. A genome is an organism's complete set of DNA. Now we will move towards transcriptomics. As I told, what is transcript? Basically, transcript is RNA. So transcriptomics is the study of transcriptome, the complete set of RNA transcripts that are produced by the genome under specific circumstances or in a specific cell. Using high throughput methods such as microarray analysis, we can study transcriptome. Now we will move towards proteomics. Basically, proteomics is the large-scale study of proteomes. A proteome is a set of proteins produced in an organism, system, or biological context. Proteomics is used to investigate when or where proteins are expressed, rates of protein production and degradation, and steady state abundance. I hope you all are following me. Now we are study metabolites. Metabolites are intermediate products of metabolic reaction catalyzed by various enzymes. Now we will study what are metabolomics. Okay, students, so metabolomics is the study of the set of metabolites present within an organism, cell, or tissue. In imaging, we focus on microscopy images, MRI images, CT scans, feature extraction, and high content screening. Cytometry is basically all about the cell, and in system biology, we have to know